Make a great choice today with the 2020 Levante. The Maserati Levante is a mid-size crossover which gives drivers a taste of top-end acceleration, comfort, and handling. The crossover also provides the functionality needed to make this luxury vehicle perfect for all drivers. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.